AC voltage measurement using transformer. DC current measurement. The current must be connected in series. HFC transistor measurement to ensure that the transistor is PNP or PN. Diode measurement. Positive and negative poles need to be aligned. Button to detect whether the line is on or off. Resistance measurement. Both sides can be measured. DC voltage measurement. DC regulated power supply and battery measurement display. With backlit screen, the value can be clearly seen in the dark. Data retention can keep the current value for easy recording.